Okay, here we go. We've got the directions right here. Basically, it says to pick this up, there is a bracket on the bottom. Let's see if we can take that down. I'll be a little more gentle now. Picking this up and setting down a little gentle, especially if Ben we just spent a couple grand on this. Okay. Let's see, we got to take this off, the mounting bracket. Looks like there's just one screw there. See how this comes off. Oh, looks like it just snaps in. And, ooh la la, there we go. Okay, so that is going to mount to the wall just like that, as a matter of fact, because this is the front. So it's going to mount to the wall just like that. So let's, we've got a nice place to mount it. Let's get to mounting. Okay, here we go. On inspection of the different models that are here, we have Model D. It's pretty easy to tell. You really do a close inspection of the what the mounting bracket looks like. All of them are just a little bit different. This has a little horseshoe piece up in here, so you can see it, you know, little thing. This is a little bit different, and this one's way different. Ours has that little piece, which is right there. So it's a Model D. We can mount or drill a hole in the wall here or here. I'm going to choose this side because that's the side where the drain is coming out. So it'll mount on the wall like this. Drain will come out on this side. I went ahead and exposed this because I was worried. I just ran my finger along here. I was worried that, let's take this off. There's one little clip here that comes off, and then this, it's right there. Gotta kind of take this out and lift it up over that, and this will come off. I was worried that it would bend this refrigerant, but as you can see, it's ready to bend. We can easily just grab this and manipulate it and get it out through the hole that'll be drilled in the wall right here. So we're ready to go there. Let's start mounting this bracket. Okay, I've done a little bit of preliminary work here. I found the studs, used my stud finder, and found a stud here and made a couple holes just to verify. Found a stud here, made a few holes just to verify that that was exactly where it's at. When I put this end up here, and I got my level out and drew a nice level line, so I can hold this nice and level. There we go. We've got to be 12 inches over. We clear the door here. Got to be 8 inches over from here, from right here. We clear the wall, so we're perfect. We're going to go ahead and install this here. Get that one started. Now what happened was the stud was here, but the hole, manufacturer's hole, was here. So I went ahead and drilled a hole here and here just to catch that stud. Now, are we level? Yes, we appear to be very level. Come up here and put a little pressure on this. Okay, apparently my tip is bad. Get a new tip, hold on. Alright, bing, new tip. Isn't that amazing? I was just checking the level mark. Oh, come on, baby. I'm pushing and trying to get this bastard to suck up. You dirty, unshaven, motherless goat herding. Okay. Here's our level line, is nice and level. We are good. Now, got it in there nice and solid. I want to add a few more. One to here, here, and here to hold that. I'm adding one to here just for there, so we're nice and in there. But then on this side, I think I marked here, here, there, and there. Okay, and I'm going to put in this pilot hole and then screw this in and anchor it. So that's what we're going to do right now. I went ahead and pre-marked these holes, so now I'll take this out. I'm obviously not going to reuse this screw again. Tell you what, new tip. That one got all chunkified. There we go. Set it down around 7. Around 7 torque kind of works for these pretty good. These are 50-pound hollow wall anchors. They should hold beautifully. Okay. Now we got our mark, we got everything. Okay. Go! There we go. Where was this? Hold on. Get out of here. Let me climb up this ladder a little more. Batting 1,000 with the old 3-inch screws, huh? And you probably don't need 3-inch. In retrospect, I probably should have used something smaller. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get something a little more human-sized screw. There we go. And through the magic of video, we got some 1.25 inch. All right. There we go. And plenty of hold. Oh, come on now. Well, I'm glad that one went in crooked as heck. Let's not put up with that. There we go. All right, and all of our little things held are nice and perfect in there. Each one, this one's a little bit off, but oh well. Let's see how they work. This one's a wee bit off. And again, these are hollow wall anchors, 50 pounds. I think they're going to be just dandy. All right, let's put one more in on the pre-drilled hole on the stud that we got. Get any tighter? I think that is golden. Well, there we have it. Nice and level, ready to go. Got our 8 inches away from there, 12 inches away from there where the door is and such. Ready to rock and roll. Now we can put the drill the hole. We're going to drill a hole over here. We are hollow from here to here. You can tell just by the sound of the wall. Hollow. See what I mean? So I knew that there was a stud there anyways. Even if you don't have a stud finder, you can just tap on the wall. But it's hollow over here. We're going to drill our hole and go from there. Yeah.